Acid, base, or salt. It tells us that in this worksheet we're first going to decide what type of substance each compound is and then fill in the rest of the spaces in the row for that bit of information. So if we look at this first one, for example, it tells us that the formula for this is H3PO4 and that it turns litmus paper red. Now I know just from looking at this compound, if it starts with an H, it's most likely going to be an acid, and then I look over here and see that it does indeed turn litmus paper red, which I know is indicative of an acid. So right here I can write acid. Then we're going to put the color that phenolphthalein would turn, and if you remember from another worksheet that we did here, phenolphthalein, and it's in your reading material here, types of indicators. Phenolphthalein is an acid-base indicator that is colorless in an acid or a neutral solution, but it turns pink in a base. So here you're either going to put colorless or pink, depending on what color it would turn. And then for approximate pH, all you need to do in this column is put either above 7 for the pH, about 7, or below 7. And you know from the pH scale that your acids are going to have a pH below 7, bases will have a pH above 7, and neutral solutions have a pH that is right about 7. So you can see here for about 7, we put that for a salt because salts are neutral compounds. They're not acids and they're not bases. So fill in all these blanks in the worksheet, but if you do still have any questions, please do come ask.